Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. And today this is a little bit of a different video because I want to tell you that I have had a little bit of an upgrade. Yes, I was out and I ended up buying myself a new camera so that I can boost the quality of my videos to make them much more nicer to look at. And I'm so excited about this, and because I'm so excited about it, I wanted to bring two of my favourite beings to be in the video with me right now. My favourite crystal. This is my favourite crystal skull at the moment. Now things do change, but this guy is very, very powerful. His name is Calathea, and he gave me his name long before he arrived here at our apartment here in Malmö, all the way from a shop in Byron Bay, Australia. A little tiny family-run business. If you want to buy any crystals, I strongly recommend this wonderful shop and these wonderful people. They are the ones that brought Calathea to me. Calathea is a fantastic Stibnite crystal skull with this beautiful flame structure on his head and crystals of Stibnite on the side. Just to give you a closer look, that is what he looks like. Absolutely beautiful crystals all over. This Stibnite is so powerful. They are very rare, very difficult to source and get hold of, and especially in this quality. This is museum quality. But besides all that, it doesn't matter. This skull screamed out to me as soon as I saw the picture, or the video I should say, of him as he was spinning around slowly on a podium. I saw him and I just had to have him. And everything else was put to the side. And I mean, I just knew that the means would have to come to me to be able to get this skull, and the means came to me. Because he really wasn't cheap. He is fantastic. This is the strongest crystal for manifestation in your life. This is the strongest crystal to change things in your life and help you and encourage you in the direction you truly wish to go in your life. This is a crystal you can put intentions into and follow. But this crystal skull is also something you must be very wary of and take care of, because this crystal skull also heightens those thoughts, feelings, desires you have that are also taking you in a negative direction if you do not keep yourself concentrated and focused on that you really want with love and light. And if you do, this crystal brings those things into your life. And I'm telling you, since this crystal has come into my life, so much has changed. So much has changed. Okay? I quit my job. I want to work with plants. I want to be around more plants. I want to be around more crystals. I started posting my YouTube videos to get my message out to all of you out there, to get in contact with plants and crystals, because this is what will help you maintain a balance in your busy schedule and your busy life. These things will help to bring you back to a stable state when you are able to get in contact with yourself, your crystals and your plants, be in the now, and let go and relax. This guy's pretty heavy. My arm is starting to ache making this video. But this guy whispers to me. He has so much to say to me, and he has shown me so much potential, and that's why these videos have been coming out, because I want to spread a message of love and share what makes me happy with you out there, to encourage you to go out and find what makes you happy. It maybe isn't crystals, it maybe isn't plants, but it could be something else related to nature, related to the great outdoors. related with helping you to get in touch with your creativity, because these are the things that are attached closely to your heart and your inner feelings and your inner desires. You may be someone who loves to do lots of sporting activities, but that's also getting you in touch with your physical body and others around you and nature and healthy and being happy. Anything, it could be anything. Here at Gardens and Crystals, it's about gardens and crystals. It's about my crystals, it's about my plants. Just for a moment, I just want to put this guy down so that I can turn my attention to this guy next to me here as well. And my beautiful Sarosay is very heavy. Now here, this at the moment is my favorite plant. I've got lots of plants. And favorite doesn't mean that this plant gets anything more than any other plant. It gets exactly the same care, exactly the same amount of love, and the exact amount of everything. It just means that at this present moment in my life, and with my plants and my gardening, this one is catching my attention quite a lot because it's got these beautiful velvet leaves. The tones, the colour, the texture, the form, the upright form. Now at the moment he's going to bed because Calathea, they move their leaves in closer together at night, up and around the centre part of the plant to keep humidity and moisture in. It's a very clever plant. During the day, the leaves lay out flat and open to catch the light that will be coming and filtering down through the forest canopy, because these are plants that are found on the forest floor. So this Calathea is called Calathea warscewiczii, and very difficult name, but I'm sure the pronunciation is Calathea warscewiczii. It is gorgeous, and under the leaves you can see, as he's pulled his leaf up already this evening, the burgundy colour underneath the leaf here. It's just wonderful, and it's also very velvety underneath. So I just wanted this plant to be in this video as well, because this feels kind of like my midway now. I've got my lighting, and I showed you that in another video, and I got myself a brand new camera, and now I want to show you exactly which one I got. I got this box here. It is a Canon EOS M50, and this is one of the best cameras on the market at the moment for making videos. This camera is actually better for making videos than it is for taking still pictures. Now I do take still pictures with this camera for my Instagram. You can follow me on gardens.and.crystals, and also you can also follow me on petersons.crystal.cottage, which is pictures of our crystal cottage garden. So this is my upgrade. I've got my lighting ring, and now I've got my camera, and now the quality of my videos is just going to explode and be much better. Bearing in mind that I do need to get used to the camera and the things going on in it and how to work it out properly and all that, because I'm not that technical. Okay, that isn't the thing that I'm interested in. I'm interested in plants and crystals, but the technical side, it's not all that. So I got myself a really good camera. I thought, if I'm going to go out, carry on with this, the amount of videos I am throwing out at the moment, I need to get myself a good camera, boost up the quality, and then I will be able to make some fantastic videos going forward. And that is again why I wanted to bring in two of my favorites from both sides of my gardens and crystals, and that was Sarosay, my Stibnite skull, and this beautiful Calathea warscewiczii, and my Canon EOS M50. So if you want to get yourself a really good camera to make videos, I would suggest this one. You don't have to, you can get whatever you want. And remember, I have no affiliates. I have no advertisements at the moment. I have no payments or anything going on. This is not me advertising. This is just me showing what I've got to help you get out there as an amateur video vlogger to maybe find something that would suit you. This camera is great for me and my plants and my crystals. So anyway, now that I've put this video out there, I would just like to say I really hope you're enjoying my videos, and thank you to those that have subscribed to my channel. I hope a lot more people will start subscribing soon, now that the quality is definitely going to be going up and there will be different kinds of content. I've decided to change the beginning of my videos to just putting gardens and crystals with a background at the beginning of my video and then going straight into my video from now on, to mark the shift from the mobile phone quality videos to a quality camera video. So a new beginning, a background, and then gardens and crystals on it, and I'll put that at the beginning and the end of my video, and then it will just be me talking about what I have to talk about. I really would like you to write comments below. I'd like to have suggestions about how I can make my videos, what content I could include, what you'd like me to maybe research and do videos on, and all that kind of stuff, because this really is for me an interaction with you, and I want you to just sit back and enjoy these videos and get inspired to do something creative yourself. Even though I'm talking about gardens and crystals here, plants and crystals, it could help to inspire you to do what you think is exciting. Drawing, sailing, swimming, running, whatever. Taking photos, taking videos, being a designer, anything you want to. As long as this video is getting to you with love and a boost of positive energy, and that is filtering into you, that is my goal with this, to spread love out there. That's what I just keep saying. So even if you want to sit and laugh at me, even if you think that I'm over the top, even if you think I'm crazy, even if you think I'm having a midlife crisis, which I'm not, people, you are just seeing the side of me that you haven't seen before. Those that know me, that could be friends, family, or whatever, colleagues, ex-colleagues, I've always been like this, but I've just never shown it. I've always had a huge love for plants. If anyone asks anyone in my family, plants, I used to always collect cactuses from young. Plants, I love plants. Animals, I've always had pets. I have no pets now. My pets are my plants at the moment, but I would like to get some pets again at some point. Crystals, I've always had a love for crystals as well. But crystals do cost a little bit, and plants do too. So I've been able to get myself the crystals that have decided to come to me and be a part of my life and be a guidance in my life. So thank you for watching this, what I call midway video, and my link to my new, better quality videos going forward. And I really hope you'll follow me, tell other people about my videos. Please ask everyone you know to subscribe to my channel to help it grow. And we'll see where this takes me. And you, and all of us together. Because you might get something so good out of this that encourages you to finally take that step to do something that you've always wanted to do as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. And please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when my video uploads will be. Thank you very much. And from Sarosay and my Calathea warscewiczii and me, Wesley Peterson, goodbye.